Meaning of Harvard University.
Harvard University.
Harvard University.
Harvard University.
Harvard University. Harvard University is a private Ivy League research university in Cambridge, Massachusetts. It was established in 1636 and is the oldest institution of higher education in the United States. The university offers undergraduate, graduate, and professional degree programs in various fields, including social sciences, humanities, engineering, and sciences. Harvard is renowned for its academic excellence, influential alumni, and top-notch faculty. It has produced numerous scholars, scientists, and leaders in various fields. The university's motto is Veritas, Latin for truth, and its shield prominently displays 3 books representing knowledge.